What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play I Will Always Love You, Dolly Parton version. She wrote it. It's a little more bluesy, I would say. So let's start with putting a capo on the 2nd fret, please. And we're in standard tuning, 2nd fret. Alright, let's go. We got a G major, 2, 3, pinky. We got an E minor, 2, 3. Got a C major, 1, 2, 3, and we got a D major. 1st, 2nd, 3rd finger. Okay, so that's all the chords we need. I do a little thing when I play G. I'll show you that later. But here's the strumming. So when I start the song, I hang on the G, but I play this, so it sounds like a G over C, or yeah, makes it a little bit more interesting. So 1st finger, 2nd finger, B string, D string. And now E minor, 2, 3, 4, D major, C, E minor, D, C, and our chorus. G to E to C to D, G to E minor, C to D. With G to C, back to G, and then a verse. E minor, D, C. Chorus, come on. Cool, right? Very simple. 4 chords. This awesome song. Alright, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. Have a great day. Be safe.